Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PGPM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the red line here is coming from. And not really a whole lot of things to update here, but more so confirmation points. Things that I talked about yesterday are still all holding true. The main point of confirmation and the big thing that I talked about yesterday is that pink line there, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average, and that from the big picture of things, you definitely don't want to see the price head below there because that would be a big step in the bearish direction. But to give full credit to the bulls today, the price not only held above it, but the price actually started to separate to the upside of it. Now, does that mean that next week this thing's headed up to 4 cents? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying from the big picture story, you want to see the pink line hold, and not only did the pink line hold today, the bulls created some separation to the upside of it. The other point of confirmation all revolves around this red line here that I talked about yesterday as an area of resistance up there at 0.011. And I'm not patting myself on the back, but I am going to pat charts on the back. The power of charts, you can see that red line. And I promise I have not moved it. I guess if you don't believe me, that's fine. You can just go back in the video archive and watch the video I did yesterday. But you can see right there, price rejected it. And then multiple times this afternoon, that 0.011 area is definitely being a thorn in the side of the chart. Not saying that the price can't break above it, but definitely has been confirmed that there are sellers sitting up there. So two key levels going into next week. Again, just nothing new here, but we definitely had them both confirmed today, especially 0.011. But that 200 period simple moving average as support, and then the key level of resistance up there at 0.011. So nice day to close out the week. We'll see if the bulls can build on it or not next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.